Continuing with our first video, this is second video and we will start articles from article the. So now we will do definite article the. So when we can use the. The is used when we mean a particular person or a thing. That means we are specifically talking about something or any person. For any person or thing we use a or an, but for a particular person or thing we use the. For example, I read a story yesterday. The story was interesting. Now here in first sentence I am talking about a story which I read yesterday. But in second sentence I am talking about the story which I have read yesterday, particularly that story that was interesting. So here second time I am using the because I am talking about a particular story which I have read. So where we use the is the definite article used to point out a noun. We use the when a person, place or thing is mentioned second time. Let's read this example which I have already done. Pavni ate an apple yesterday. Here apple we are mentioning first time. The apple was juicy and delicious. Now here again apple is mentioned second time. Now the same apple which we were talking first time, we are mentioning it in second time. That is why we have used the, because here we are not talking about apple in general, we are talking about apple in a particular form. That is why we have used here the. We use the when it is clear which person, place or thing is being referred to. Now, for example, we had 2 glass jars, a red and an orange. The orange jar is expensive. Now here we are talking about an orange jar which is expensive. Next, we use when there is only such thing. For example, the moon, the sun. So here we are talking about the moon which is particular and the sun which is particular. We use the when naming a noun that refers to an entire group of its kind. For example, the whale is a mammal. Now here we have used the with the whale because we are talking about particularly the mammal whale. Let's know more that where we can use the with the names of rivers, sea, ocean, mountain ranges. For example, the Gangas, the Red Sea. With the name of well-known buildings, the India Gate, the Taj Mahal. With the names of holy books or newspapers like the Gita, the Bible, the Hindustan Times, the name of newspaper. The names of train, ships, aeroplanes. For example, the Rajdhani Express, the Titanic, the Indian Airlines. With the name of some countries, the USA, the UK. Here, USA, United States of America, UK, United Kingdom. Here, they are used as common nouns, state and kingdom, so we will use the with them. Use with superlative degrees, the highest peak, the tallest, and use with phrases like, for example, the first, the last, the only. So with phrases also we will use the. So these are some examples which I have given where we can use the. But we are not supposed to use the with proper nouns. For example, we will not use the before name of any person. The Sonali or the Amit. And we are also not supposed to use the with some country names. For example, the India, the China. We have done with some countries we will use the, which we have done earlier. We will not use the with uncountable nouns, for example, the sugar, the iron. So let's do some more examples. The Thar desert is in the western India. The Ganga is sacred river. So these were our articles, my dear students. I think you all understood that what are articles and where we can use them. And you all are now waiting for your assignment. So do it carefully. Thank you. That's all for today.